Hey everyone, welcome to our ArtingAI tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to easily create AI kiss effect videos in just 3 simple steps. In no time, you'll be creating your own magical moments. Want to try AI-generated kiss scenes? With ArtingAI, experience a seamless, effortless AI kiss effect like never before. Fast, easy, and creative. Let's dive in and see how to do it. Step 1. Upload your video. First, you'll need your video ready. Whether it's a selfie, a movie clip, or any video you like, simply upload it to the ArtingAI platform. It's quick and easy. Just a few seconds and you're set. Step 2. Enter the prompt. Want the scene to be more romantic or filled with creativity? Just add your desired effect in the prompt. Don't worry, we've got plenty of examples to help you get started. Step 3. Click Generate. Now everything is ready. Simply click the Generate button and ArtingAI will start processing. In just a few seconds, your AI kiss video will be ready, filled with creativity and artistic flair. You can also tweak the generated details to make sure the effect matches exactly what you envisioned. Why ArtingAI? ArtingAI is not only fast and efficient, but it's completely free. You can start creating without logging in, and there's no watermark, giving you full creative freedom. Plus, it supports unlimited generation, so you don't have to worry about limits. The best part? You control every detail to make sure the final effect is just right. Go ahead and try ArtingAI now. Create your own AI kiss video and enjoy the perfect blend of technology and creativity.